Handa na ba kayo?
Samahan niyo ako today ka. Let's go mga kainten!
Looking at the city like I already own it. Yeah, I'm a hustler. Keep turning up the heat. I keep turning up the heat. Keep turning up the heat. Yeah, yeah, I'm a hustler. Yeah, yeah, keep turning up the heat. I know the price is steep. They're gonna call me king. Yeah, yeah, I'm a hustler.
For the second time, top 20 na naman ang yung Mr. Intensity. By the way, this is Pong Cinco Jr., dating seaman. Ngayon, top 20 na ng ating company. And right now, sobrang na-amaze at sobrang na-excite ako kasi second time tayo na nakapasok as top 20 out of 6 million distributors all over the globe. And right now, hindi lang po ako, kundi 10 po ang nakapasok from our community, Elites Empire, na top 20 ng ating company. Kaya samahan niyo ko sa ating vlog today!
And let's be honest, it's so easy to say, but so much harder to live. Because being unstoppable isn't about having a perfect life. It's not always about being strong. And it is definitely not about never failing. Being unstoppable is what you do after.
To pre-launch this personal wellness device. We are entering the personal wellness device space, which is $1 billion space all over the world. Wellness devices that make you feel good, make you look younger, makes you feel healthier, relieves pain. This is what we call category creator, meaning the competition is not that much.
Pero because of this company ho, natuto ho akong magtrabaho sa buhay, mangarap na kahit bata ka pa lang, kayang-kaya mong kumita. Bata ka pa lang, kayang-kaya mong mangarap!
It has been mentioned for so many times about how to become unstoppable. For you to become resilient, you need to become resilient, you need to be strong, you need to be consistent, you need to be persistent. But as for me, the best character that you should have for you to become unstoppable is for you to have a grateful heart.
Finally, tapos na yung awarding ng top 20 ng celebration ng 20th anniversary ng ating company AGG, and sobrang nakaka-inspired. Sobrang happy ko right now kasi for my second time na nakapasok sa top 20. From top 18, ngayon top 15 tayo. So, and of course, I am so proud kasi 10 out of 20 ay galing po sa community natin ng Elites Empire.
and after the moments that test who you really are. It's about choosing to stand up again, to keep going, to keep showing up, not just for yourself, but for others who are counting on you. Because, ladies and gentlemen, in today's world, anyone can chase success.
And this award is for everyone na nangangarap. May this be a testament na kahit nagsisimula ka pala ngayon, kayang-kaya mo maging top 1 in the future. I'm really so blessed na nandito ako sa kumpanyang punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng vision, punong-puno ng purpose. That right now, masasabi ko na na-embody ko siya, kaya maraming salamat.
Having a grateful heart, you can never go wrong.
So this is it guys, this is the moment na malalaman namin kung pangilan kami sa top 20 and I'm so proud kasi sa 20th anniversary ng ating company is 10 po ang nakapasok from Elites Empire and we don't know kung pangilan ako kaya let's go abangan, sobrang nakaka-proud na isang seaman, part ulit tayo ng top 20 ng buong company. Let's go!
AGG Unstoppable!
Mula nagsimula po ako sa ganitong industriya, this really saved my life. I was an orphan and at 3 years old, nawala na po yung mga magulang ko. And because of this company, I found my purpose. I found na lahat pala na nangyayari sa iyo may rason. Because of the wonderful trainings of this company, namold po ang isang Pearl Home na dating taga-Palawan lang, na dating estudyante. At ngayon, nandito, na-award na ng top 1. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations sa atin ha! Sobrang nakaka-amaze kasi it's my second time and then ikaw is?
This is my
Fourth time na. So, ito yung negosyo na sinasabi natin na may sistema. At the moment na tumuloy-tuloy ka, maabot at maabot mo din talaga yung pangarap mo. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood, excited ako na kayo naman yung rarampa dito. Kaya pag nanonood mo yung video na to, ramdamin mo yung every lakad ko kasi one day ikaw naman yung lalakad kasi magiging part ka ng top earner ng ating industry. Sure ako na one day, ikaw naman yung kikita ng sobrang laki, mababago buhay mo. The same lang sa akin, I'm a seaman, but right now, imagine doing the business, kumikita ng 300 to 500,000 to 1 million every single month dahil sa negosyo na ginagawa natin ko. Kung may masasabi man ako, kung nakaya ko, kayang-kaya mo rin. See you in our community. Ikaw na next.